Something big is brewing, and almost no one's talking about it. For months, XRP, XLM, and HBAR have been moving quietly, while the rest of the market chases trends. But behind that silence, something is being built. The global financial system is preparing for a reset. Private networks are being tested. Corridors are opening. And the infrastructure that will move trillions is almost ready to go live. Because when this switch flips, prices won't just rise, they'll reprice overnight. So what's really happening behind the curtain? Let's start with the first clue, XRP. While retail traders argue about charts, Ripple has been building the plumbing of global finance. Over 40 countries. Hundreds of banks. All quietly connected through RippleNet. And here's the part most people miss. These institutions are already testing XRP in private corridors, settling real payments in seconds instead of days. But they don't announce that yet. These pilots are designed to scale the moment regulation clears. That's the first domino. And when XRP's liquidity goes public, it won't be hype-driven, it'll be systemic. But XRP is just one side of the system. What about the network built for the people? That's where Stellar, XLM, steps in. While Ripple builds for institutions, Stellar focuses on access, on inclusion, remittances, aid payments, and digital currencies, all powered by Stellar's rails. They've partnered with MoneyGram, Circle, and even governments like Ukraine. And here's the curiosity gap. Stellar isn't preparing for adoption. It's already happening. When humanitarian programs and stablecoins start using blockchain for real-world transfers, the world shifts quietly, long before the headlines catch up. Now, what about the layer that makes all of this trusted and enterprise ready? That's HBAR. While XRP moves money and Stellar connects people, Hedera builds the trust layer for institutions. Its governing council includes Google, IBM, LG, and Standard Bank, and they're not experimenting. They're building. From carbon credits, to digital identity, to enterprise data tracking. HBAR is already powering real-world systems worth billions. And here's your next curiosity gap. Every one of those use cases connects back to value transfer. The moment they plug into ISO 20022 rails, HBAR becomes the backbone of enterprise tokenization. And here's where it all comes together. Over 11,000 banks and institutions are migrating right now to ISO 20022, the new global messaging standard. These rails are blockchain compatible. And guess which assets already fit perfectly into that system? XRP, XLM, and HBAR. The moment that switch goes live, they stop being speculative assets and become part of the financial infrastructure itself. So what does this mean for investors? It means the real move won't come from hype. It'll come from utility ignition. And when that happens, it won't be gradual, it'll be instant. Which one do you think leads first? XRP, XLM, or HBAR? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And let's see who spots the winner early. Because this next wave won't reward those who guess. It'll reward those who prepare. This is not financial advice. Just perspective from someone watching the infrastructure form before the headlines catch up.